Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Integration Services, Classes and Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Part 51. What are different types of logging in SSIS and explain SQL Server Log Provider in SSIS. In this part of training, we are going to discuss about what are different types of logging in SSIS and explanation for SQL Server Log Provider in SSIS. In SSIS, that is SQL Server Integration Services, logging is the process of capturing runtime information about package execution. It helps in troubleshooting, auditing, performance tuning and monitoring. What is logging in SSIS? Logging in SSIS allows you to record events that occur when a package runs. These logs can include start and end time of package or task, errors, warnings and informational messages, variable values, custom messages using script tasks or log events, performance metrics, and logs can be written to multiple destinations such as SQL Server, text files, XML files, or the Windows event logs. There are different types of logging in SSIS. SSIS provider multiple types of log providers where logs can be stored. SSIS log providers built-in types are text file log provider, SQL Server log provider, XML file log provider, Windows event log provider, SQL Server profile log provider. And in this training session, we are going to discuss about SQL Server log provider. SQL Server log provider in SSIS is a logging option that writes package execution logs into SQL Server table called SysSSIS log. It is used to centrally store and query SSIS logs for events like errors, warnings, start and end times, and task execution details. It is great for auditing, monitoring, and troubleshooting the package errors and the events. Let us see these things practically in SSIS. Here I am trying to create a new package which is called SQL Server Logging. To do logging, what I am going to do is I have a file which is logging_src and I have a target table called logging table which is not having data. I am trying to load the data by using data flow task, and by using execute SQL task I will update two records. Employee ID 3 will be first name Bangalore. For employee ID 4 I will be updating the first name as Tirupati. Now what I am going to do is, there is a log table and just truncate a log table. Why? Because if is there any other logs, it will be difficult to monitor our logging. The log table is truncated, there is no data right now. I am trying to create a package. Here for loading the data, I am taking the data flow task. Here loading data is going to happen. Loading data. For this I am just taking source and destination. Here I am taking flat file source. I am making connection for it and browsing the file which is some CSV file. I am taking that one and everything is good here. There is a data and I am trying to load this one by using OLDB destination to SQL Server table. I am trying to configure it. I am taking the database which is GKey Solutions at a demo at the GKey database. I am taking table and view fast load. Here the table name is logging table. View the data, there is no data. Coming to the mappings, mappings also file. And coming to the control flow, here I am taking execute SQL task. This will do the first update. I am trying to configure it. For that I will be taking the first update task, like update query. This is the database I am going to update, and this would be the first update. And for the second update, I am taking again execute SQL task.
second update for this, I'm doing this update. The server connection has been done and I'm giving the direct SQL statement. It is, I'm just connecting the components here like tasks. Here now, to make the logging for this package, what we have to do is we have to right click on the canvas. First option would be logging. If you open the logging, you'll see different log providers types. Here I'm taking a text, XML, Windows event, SQL server profile. I'm taking for SQL server. I'm just adding it. I'm just making the like events for these tasks: first update, logging data, second update, something like that. And I have to take this check this one to create a logging table. I'm using this database GKey solutions at a demo GKey. This is the database where this logging table is going to be created. We have checked all the tasks, and coming to the details, what are the events that have to be logged in a log table that we have to check here. I am taking on error, on post execution, on pre execution. You can take whatever you want. This is the different events which are available. I am trying to run the package. The package ran successfully. Now we have to refresh. Here you will see the SYS SSIS log table. In system tables for the, this is the database where I want to create this SYS SSIS log. I have taken that one in the package, and in system tables you will see the SSIS log table. I'm just selecting the data here. See, for the package, it is start, package end, on pre-execution, on pre-execution, on post-execution, on pre, like that for a different task. Loading data, first update, second update, like this. We have different logs on pre-execution and post-execution. The package not like the package ran successfully. That is why we have pre and post-execution events. If the package is failed somewhere, it will show the error. Now we'll do that. In the second task, by intentionally I'm making some mistake here. Okay, I'm trying to run the package again. Now the package got failed. Let us check the data now in the log file. See, now we'll be having on error issue also. You can see the message here, execution query update. There is a problem in update query. By using this log table also, you can track what are different events occurred. If there any errors, we can go and see the messages here, and we can check this like message in the messages, and you can find out the error information, post different events. You can log in the log table, and you can backtrack, and you can modify your package. In such a way, we can use this logging in SSIS. I think you got some idea about SSIS logging. Like that is SQL Server logging events into SQL Server table. That is SYS SSIS logs. Thank you. Stay connected with GKey IT Solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.